Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this is the free item which I got from TEMU. As you guys already know, TEMU is the biggest marketing place from China. So this is the free item which I got by playing a simple game of fish feeding the fish. Now we will open this item. So over here we have a smartwatch. This is one of the items. And this is another item, the 3-in-1 rainbow light wireless charger speaker. This is a very good item, as you already know. Okay, so let me open this up. So there's a speaker, small USB cable, and a back manual. Okay, so we have this one. So this one over here is a very good speaker. So let me just turn it on. As you can see, the lights. Just turn off my light. You can see the color mode. See, it's a variation. See, it's nice. You can play the music in the night as well. It's a beautiful speaker. See over here. That's nice. So I just turn it off. Okay, so it has a lot of functions. Okay, so you can connect over here the AUX, USB, the micro SD card, and also this is the charging spot. Okay, so there's a wireless charging as well over here. Okay, so I just turn it off. I think so, that's one. Let's leave it aside. Okay, and this is the smartwatch which I got from TEMU. Open this up. Okay, so this is the smartwatch which I got from TEMU. So you should fully charge it before using it. This is the charging cable. Okay, and this is the user manual. Okay, so finally I would like to thank TEMU for doing such a wonderful thing for me. Okay, so hope you guys liked the video, enjoyed it, and please buy more products from TEMU. Okay, have a good day guys. See you in my next video. Until then, see ya.